I spent weeks building an Android app, published it on Play Store, and finally crossed 1000 downloads. I thought, that's it. My hard work is finally paying off. But when I opened my AdMob account to check my earnings, I was completely shocked. So, how much money can a beginner developer actually make from an app with 1000 downloads? The answer surprised me, and it might surprise you too. Was till the end. Hey everyone, I am a new Android developer and recently one of my app crossed 1000 downloads on Google Play Store. When I started this journey, my goal wasn't just to publish an app, it was also to understand whether a small app can generate real income. In this video, I'll share how long it took to reach 1000 downloads, the revenue strategies I used, the actual money I earned, the cost involved, and my future plans for growing this app. So, let's get started. Here's my app. As you can see, it has crossed 1000 downloads on the Play Store. I know 1000 downloads may not sound huge compared to big apps, but for a beginner developer like me, it was a major milestone and something I was really excited about. Now let's jump into the Play console and look at the numbers in more detail, including how long it took to reach the milestone. So this is my app Income Tax Calculator 2026. You can see the total installs showing 2.22k. Let me explore it. Basically, it has over 2000 downloads as per the Google Play Store. And if I click on the last 180 days filter, you can see it was deployed somewhere around February. So during this process, I have around released 6 to 7 release. It was released somewhere here on February end and till July 2026, that is in 6 months, I am close to 2000 installs. The growth wasn't overnight. It took time, experimentation, continuous improvement to reach these numbers. Now let me share the methods I use to generate revenue from the app. I use two monetization methods. First is I integrated AdMob ads. The idea was simple. The user could use the app for free while ads generated revenue. And second one was subscription model. For subscription, I use RevenueCat, which is great because it's easy to integrate and free to start with. My plan was to offer premium features through subscription and create recurring revenue. Sounds good, right? Well, let's look at the actual results. Before revealing the revenue, let's talk about cost. My only direct cost was the Google Play developer registration fee, which is $25. The good thing is it's a one-time payment and I can publish multiple apps using the same account. Currently, I have around 4 apps published through this account. So if I distribute that cost across all 4 apps, it comes around $6 to $7 per app. So for this app, let's consider the cost to be approximately $7. Now it's time for the earnings review. Let's open AdMob. This is the dashboard of my income tax calculator app. To fetch the earning report, I will click on View Report, and in the date range, I will select All Time, Apply. Here you can see it is around $3.77. So the total revenue generated through this app on AdMob is around $3.77. Yes, just $3. Honestly, when I first saw this number, I was a bit disappointed. After reaching 1000 plus downloads, I expected something significantly higher. But that's the reality of app monetization, especially when you are starting out. Now let's look at subscription revenue. So for that, I'll open my RevenueCat dashboard. RevenueCat offers a free plan for beginners. So the cost incurred to use this app is free, is $0. So this is my dashboard. Unfortunately, I got only one active subscription during this period, and the revenue is around $0.42 from RevenueCat by using subscription model. Clearly, I need to improve the premium offering and provide more value for users to consider upgrading. Now let's do the math. Cost per app was $7, ad revenue $3.77, subscription revenue $0.42. That means my total revenue is $4, and currently I'm at $3 loss. So technically, this app is currently running at a $3 loss. But honestly, I'm not disappointed anymore. This project taught me something much more valuable than those $4. I learned how to build and publish an Android app, how Play Console works, how AdMob monetization works, how subscription work using RevenueCat, and what it takes to attract real users. And this is just a beginning. I'm already working on the next version of this app, where I'll add support for US income tax calculation and improve the overall user experience. Before you go, if you're also a new developer building apps and trying to make your first income online, I would love to hear your story. Share your experience, ideas, or challenges in the comment below. Let's learn and grow together as developers. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.